Hi guys, I'm working on 2007 Lexus is350, and it was what's the issue right now is that when I step on the brake around like 40 to 60 miles per hour, it vibrating, and then I wonder why. Look at this pin is move out because of the locking pin is broke. This one's supposed to have a lock pin, it broke, so let's working on it. I'm just gonna be punching in with this. And then you see right here, this one is for the anti-rattle bracket. So you just push that one and then move the pin out. You see right here, little hole. Supposed to have a pin locking clip, but that one broke. I don't know why. Maybe it was rattling too much. Let me just shake. And this one is a lock in. I think brake pad is alright. It's alright, but it was vibrating too much. And then there's no SHIM inside either. And then we're about to remove the right here, this one, and then this one, the 17mm, that one, and that one. Yeah, this one right here, and this one right here on the top. 217mm. Yeah, I don't have a braking bar, so I'm just gonna use this one. Yeah, it's the same length. And then I don't have a hanger, so I'm just gonna use this one and then put it over here. And then in order to remove the rotor, we're just gonna use this ball to put it in here. One over here, one over here, but I don't know what size is that one, but let me just research and put it on the description line. Yeah, you have to turn it. turn it little by little. Okay. And then the rotor, I already cleaned up the loader. And then this is the model number, and then I put it on the I post on the description line. And then that's for the left side. This one for driver side. This one has a different model number on the front loader. And then that's the parts number for the brake pad. And then also I ordered the SHIM. Model number is that one, SHIM kit. That's preventing from the vibrating. It's like this. So you have to go, the black part goes inside, and then this one goes outside. So you have to do on the both brake pad. Okay, so let me clean the surface with the wire brush. And I also brush this one too. And then you also have to be clean your rotor, because it's really greasy from the manufacturer. So use a brake cleaner and then clean it, because I already cleaned the brake pad. You see right here, it says right. So this one has two different parts number for the rotor, so you have to make sure this one goes to the passenger side on the right level. And then we're gonna put the lug nut to hold the rotor. Gonna use this one, put it in the here and here. Yeah, just push the one side. I just put the old brake pad so it doesn't damage the caliper. I think I have to push it one side first, and then put this brake pad, and then use a flex driver to push it in on the other side. Yeah, when you push this side, the other side is coming out. So I put another brake pad here. I'm just gonna push it in, but be careful. Don't mess up your cylinder of just push it in a little bit. Yeah, they have an easy tool for this, but you know, I have a C clamp, so I didn't buy it. Okay. Everything flushed out. See how the cylinder is flushed out. Yeah, I don't have a breaker bar, so I just. But if you have a breaker bar, you put like 100 per pound. And then this one with the squeeze, the noise indicator, that's gonna be go to inner, and then the SHIM black side goes inside, and then silver part go outside. Oh, I forgot to put the grease. Yeah, I'm gonna put the grease here, and then some of them here. You don't have to put a lot. Then the other side, same thing. The black piece goes inside, and then silver one outside. Then I'll apply the grease. One that I'm using is a CRC brake system grease. And then this one, I'm just gonna put the grease on the edges. and then pin, push the anti-rattle pin and then push it in. I think this one is a little bit bent, you know, when I see the earlier, so I'm just gonna put a little bit hammer to it. And then you see right there, that's the pin, but I have to remove that one in order to we put the, what's that called, the paper clip for now. So let me just remove it again. You see right there, it broke off, so I'm just gonna remove that one and then put the some type of a clip for now. Yes, I removed it. You see the little hole right here? So that's the one that I'm talking about. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use some type of a clip in there. It's right there, the one you have to put the clip. So I'm just gonna use a little clip for now, and then I'm just gonna order the parts and then put it back in. Yeah, they hold it for good right now. You see, yeah, they hold it for good, so I think they should be fine. Okay, that's about it. And then you can just put the tire back in, and then after that you have to press the pedal, the brake pedal, several times before you start the car until form. That's about it. So after you change the rotor and brake, just step on the brake a couple times until they form. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.